Abuthi vuma.
Okay.
Udala sala kanjani.
Okay.
Sale mthini upho.
Shaya again. Shaya.
Sale mthini. Okay.
Shaya.
Sala kanjani.
Sale mthini upho. Sale mthini.
Sala kanjani.
Sale mthini upho. Ayiyokele. Sala kanjani. Sale mthini upho. Sanibonani ninjani, welcome to KZN podcast. Igama lami nguSane onobelungu waka Bengu, and this is the segment. Nina kade ngingangicorrecting ngani all along bengithi segment. Correct mina nasane segment. Yafana nje ushukela netiye. So welcome to the segment man. Yes, listen to sit down and as you know, almost every day I bring you talent yabantu endibathandayo, from the artist to actress to musician. Yeah, there's also a musician because but this can fall okay kongifundisa ngelanga lonto le. You know, TikTokers, influencers, also my business. Beautiful lady today nginendoni yamanzi. Hello my super. Nenwele zakhe zinhle. Now understand why you've got a you look beautiful.
Thank you so much.
Wow.
Why I love winter.
You love winter because all the skin pops and all of that.
Angidingi ngisho kwenzani.
Yeah, I could see ukuthi uyifaka no Vaseline and you look good.
Yeah.
Thina shame because yami namaqhuqhu ethu hayi. Zawadi.
Thank you for calling that right. Yes.
Zawadi Yamungu.
Oh, thank you. I always have to correct people. Because they're like Zawadi Yamungu, Zawadi Zawadi, and all of that. So I'm like, every time I have to, it's Zawadi Yamungu.
Just why is Zawadi Yamungu?
It's a Swahili name.
It's a Swahili name.
Yeah.
Is there any meaning behind it?
Gift from God. So if it says gift from God,
oh, was we a lentozo Lisa?
Yes. Actually, we did. I did this with Mbuso Khoza, Babu Khoza.
Mbuso Khoza is brilliant.
He is amazing.
I love his music.
Amazing. I have worked with him. I think it was a privilege for me, and I was so excited being next to him. You know, a dictionary, a book,
a walking one. In
yes.
Fact. Yes.
Mahobo. The African Heritage Ensemble. So, you know, every day when we go there for
now that's you sorrow now that's you say it was when I'm looking at you and then I'm looking this lady asebenza naye manje yini ureplace iqoshile
no
uyangu no mangongo
no mangongo
wenzeni uqoshile wenzeni
no look at you in your face wenzeni no. And then we recorded an album, and then.
Oh, you guys got an album?
Yeah, and then I think the wings to fly. It's okay, no, it's fine now. He's still working and mentoring abanye abantu, which is a good thing, you know. Yeah, that's what happens. Yes.
So, where are you from?
I'm from Mandeni.
Okay.
Ngikhulele Mandeni, ngizalelwe Mandeni.
All right.
Yeah.
Manje waqabanga no, the thing is it's so beautiful. It's a beautiful name. I'm actually loving it now. Sengicabanga ukuthi nami
uyibheke ukuthi awuyena uzipho.
You know, ngibosini
ngayithi sipho.
Yeah. Bekunjani ukukhula ekhaya sana sami eMandeni?
It is really nice. There are a lot of experiences now that when you reflect back, man, grateful, I'm grateful, you know. Especially ngoba ngithathe roots of being the musician, you know, a traditional musician, African musician for that matter.
Yes.
So you know ukuthi masikhulele emakhaya kuningi othi uma ukulalela unemfundiso obona ukuthi okay now seziyangisebenzela simply because no music engubhalayo no music engifuna ukubhala for our people music ufuna ukuthi usikhumbuze or uhlezi usazisa and to safeguard what we have and who we are, you know. Lezi zinto vele sikhuliswa ngazo. Imlolozelo esikhula ngayo.
Yes.
And all of those things. Yeah.
Nikhuluma ngakhe ekhaya?
Kuma wami nobaba wami siba u5.
Kubaba?
No, siba u5 nje.
Okay.
Ubona bobabili. The firstborn.
Oh wow.
Mina ngemdala. Samantombazane, so u4, umfana uyedwa kuphela. And who was 4, Nkosi yami. Yes, babelo kubezamile yazi. They even told us ukuthi they said Nkosi ngiphile because I'm Nkosi ngiphile. She said, but they were expecting a boy.
Boy, quick gama besalikhona.
Basike sorry, dala leli gama bekela abafana strictly.
Yeah, labe khubula cabanga lokho usikhona phela manje seku bathi nje iqali.
Yeah, but iqala wakazi ukuthi no labafana. So bangiqamba bengakangiboni ukuthi ngiyintombazane. Mase ngifikile then they were like no it's fine Nkosi ngiphile Nkosi ngiphile. Baphinde bazama bandle bathola unothando kuthiwa bathi hayi kusho ukuthi kusawuthando la uNkulunkulu ukuthi siphinde sithole intombazane. Bathole esithathu. So bathi awu kuhle sibonke. Yena kuhle sibonke si right.
Siyabonga ke manje.
Base bamthola kuphilani after kuhle sibonke. So my father used to sing. Athi inkosi ngiphile benoma uthando.
Oh bangicula
kuhle sibonge philani.
Oh, that's so curious.
Mina nonke yaba bengakazi uzofika ogcina usimangele because baphinde bamangaza ukuthi akusaphinde
intombazane futhi.
When we were hoping ukuthi okay uNkulunkulu uzothi
wagcina kusimangele.
Basiyagcina kusimangele.
Hayi no asivale mfana.
Ivale mfana hey na abantu.
So would you say umndeni wakho ubantu abathanda ukucula noma ama traditions, the culture, all of that?
Hayi kakhulu I-tradition but vele emndenini ngoba mkhulu besilandela nje okwenziwa abantu abadala kodwa umculo hayi bandla bayawuthanda abakwazi ukucula
kodwa bayabhidilisha kuyakho
hayi bandla even now when I'm at home ngivashile ekhaya sisibami umsindo uhlala uphezulu singing izinto abangazazi I know yena lo ukuhle sibonge uthanda kakhulu music useyacula ke ingoma kayazi uyamemeza and she wants everyone and I think song is enjoy kakhulu music noma abe mophi maskandi makuthi namhlanje sidlala maskandi nayo ngoba ubaba kasekho washeshe wasishiya but my mom is here you know and siyayiculela nje.
Speaking of that usibaba wakho washeshe wanishiya you say ukushona kwakhe kwakwenza waqala ukucula usho mhlawumbe waqala ke waba professional ngomculo something like noma kwathi nje sashona usamncane wabonisa ngathi indlela yokuhila le.
I'd say that yeah I agree ngoba ekhaya kwakusonteza yona.
Okay.
Uma kusontwa ngiyathola ukuthi kuthiwa mina umkhulu wami because baba mengayi esontweni kodwa ekhona egcikeni so umkhulu wami wengafuni nje ukuthi ngingabi khona mina esontweni ngoba khona isoprano kuthiwa ngangisho ngayo Nkosi yami umtshingo sohlala kumemeza athi cula Nkosi ngicula mabe sengathi ngiyathula nje angezwe kahle you know so kodwa ngangayitshela ukuthi iyona into engingaphila ngayo noma engiyithanda ngaleyo ndlela it was just me being young and being excited and loving music ngaleso sikhathi kodwa ubaba mhla kuthi ushonile emncwabeni wakhe I remember going to the program director I was so young ngisaba kodwa that day nje ngazathi sibini ngathi ngicela uculela ubaba and abazali nena bakithi ingane zakhe usibonise ingane zakhe ngabiza ingane zakhe baba kunecula elithanda kakhulu elithi lapho izivunguvungu zifisa impilo
hayi nami ngiyabheda ngabe ngiyakusiza ngokulotho ngiyavuze ukhona uthando manje zokusengonela I've said to a lot many people here ngisi ngiyazama la once athi umuntu awa hayi Sane kade ngibhidilisa isitulo hayi bathi kade ngibhidilisa isitulo lathina zonke nje ngo Friday bathi hayi yekela hey ngeke I want to but no mabo manje ngiyeza ukuthi but say kubi so why you chose music that preserve culture and heritage? Because you're young, you're beautiful. Now imagine now lapha yawenza Beyonce
and
you know
to the left.
Yeah, but imagine why this kind of music? It's so serious, bro. How old are you?
I'm 30.
You're young. Why lo mculo serious kanje manje asimanje ko bad sense.
ubalulekile. You know, sometimes you have to choose impilo nokubaluleka. Because sengifundile ngomlando ngawubona ukuthi kubaleka kangakanani ukuthi we need to preserve these things for our future generation, for our people right now, ukuze sizoba mhlambe nekusasa elihle or siyisizwe nje sisonke kube khona okwenzekayo okuhle nangakuthina. So ngikubona kubaleka kakhulu ukuthi khona kufanele bekwenze. If kungenziwanga yimina then uba.
Then who?
Yeah.
So music is more like storytelling, because I think you're a storyteller.
Yep.
So where does this take you? Most uqala ushaye lento zakho wenza kwenzakalani uzibona ukuphi? What, you know, I can imagine.
You travel, I tell you. Angoqala lo mbuzo yazi. I think somebody has asked mhlambe ku interview nje. Yeah. Because uyabonakala umzimba.
Yes.
Uma ngabe usungasekho la ubone ngathi ukhona yabo. So when I sing playing Umakhweyana, especially because uma ngidlala Umakhweyana ngisuke in my head ngibona umntwana magogo ogogo mabhengu bonke labantu
ayibonga mabhengu mina.
Yes, there's ubavikile ngema
famous.
Yes, ubedlala kakhulu Umakhweyana
ngifundiswa uyena shame Nkosi yami ibo ngikubizile.
Ngifundiswa uyena umabhengu udlala Umakhweyana yazi ushiye nje last year cabanga yena ke energy yakhe umabhengu mayidlala Umakhweyana udlala ukhalisa kwamaskandi.
No, I want us to play Umakhweyana. Please let me ask this too. Let's while we're still here, let's play Umakhweyana. I want to get to.
Please.
I want to see.
And maybe let me just play yona ingoma kagogo mabhengu.
Ay kuyokusiza lokho. Okay.
Dala sala ganja.
Okay.
Sale mthini uphondo.
Shaya again.
Ola sale mthini. Okay.
Shaya.
Sala ganja.
Ola sale mthini uphondo. Ola sale mthini.
Ola sala ganja.
Ola sale mthini uphondo. Ola sale. Ayiyokele.
Dala sala ganja.
Ola sale mthini uphondo. Ola sale mthini.
Dala sala ganja.
Ola sale mthini uphondo. Ikhuluma nobani? Sisirecord lento awusuka.
I'm so stupid.
Kuyasiza lokho sibekele sami.
Yes, siyabonga.
Thank you so much. So Umakhweyana, please explain to me. Is there a history behind this instrument? Lento yokudlala instrument iqhamuka kuphi?
Iqhamuke ngisa kwi-African Heritage Ensemble. Where ngangifunda ngomntwana uMagogo, and then mangilalela umculo womntwana uMagogo khona instrument ayidlalayo ikhala kamnandi at the background when she's singing ngithola ukuthi uyahuba nomso phezulu konke kodwa kunento egqungqungqungqu. And then I was interested and I was inspired. I was like, what is this? Ngafunda ngaze ngayithola nami instrument ngathi ayihlambe isikhathi sokuthi mangimlalela manje ngizama imitate lento ayishayayo. So it's not easy because mayidlala indle kakiyane tsapha da and yena wedlala ugubhu. I remember yes, I remember ubaba Khoza went to Dr. Sazi wacela ukuthi angenzele ugubhu ngalokho ngizama ukufunda ngalo until I met uMabhengu wangifundisa kahle hle ukudlala Umakhweyana, and then now I'm into Umakhweyana. So kodwa uthando laqala ngaleso sikhathi.
Bakhona abantu abadlala Umakhweyana?
Bakhona. There is uThobekile intombi yelanga nabalimi. Yes. Engike ngihlangane nayo enkundleni mangabe kuperform uthola ukuthi naye uphethe so uyawudlala.
Khona ama instrument obadlala ngaphandle kwama
I do play umchingo,
Oh, okay.
which is a penny whistle.
Oh,
Yeah. Yes. And then now ngidlala a hand pan. There's an instrument ebizwa nge-hand pan. Ngiyayifunda manje ngidlala. And ngisanda kuthenga nekora. I love instruments. I love African instruments.
Zawadi, ni perform apha ngalele ntuzana? Is there markets though? Like lo mculo kanjena is kwenzakalani?
Yazi
We need to make money.
On my side. Kuyenzeka.
Okay.
Kakhulu.
Okay.
I don't know. I think it's ngenxa ukuthi ngumuntu wesifazane maybe, and I think kungenxa ukuthi ama-instruments are scarce, and then bese kuba ukuthi the voice that I'm using when playing these instruments is also different and unique, you know. That African voice ayisekho kubantu abaningi manje. So ngiyawuthola umsebenzi.
Ujwayele ukuperforma endaweni kanjani? Ngizothi nabantu bami whoever ezoricha again le podcast and ujwayele ukuperforma endaweni kanjani? Kazi singimeme emgcwabeni kanti hayi awuperform khona.
Ama-events nje. Yeah, any events, because depend ukuthi event ikhuluma ngani, and then bese ngiyabuka ukuthi what is suitable for that event, because enye into engiyenze to modernize the instrument, because asifani and khona youth la izobuya lokho ibhoreka nje ukuthi uzawadi uvele nje angqongqothe lento yakhe ngeke
ngibonakele lutho nje.
So sometimes uma ngibona ukuthi event is more traditional, ngiyayithatha Umakhweyana mhlawumbe ngohlanganise nesiginci, you know. There's Hloniphani Arts engijwayele ukum-invite ngithi uzongiphelezela ngesiginci.
Shaya isiginci wena
Yes,
ngemuva.
mhlawumbe kube nama-percussions, you know. Bese kwamanye ama-events maybe ngathi a-classic kodwa
I was
ayayithanda
about to
leyana.
say that ukuthi yamina I see you madina those classy
do.
black tie
I'm
what
telling you.
behlela base beqala bathi starters and then it's oh wow, oh that sounds very nice.
Ngiyawenza nje, ngiyawenza.
Yeah.
Ngivele ngize ne-band because I'm a live performer, so I take my band ngifike ngiperform. Sothi ngidlala ngeband kodwa bese ngiyamdonsa Umakhweyane wami.
No man, I like it. I need it soon. Are you serious? Yes.
I am serious, and it's something that we don't have. It's something that we don't have. Also, when you're playing with the band, i-band kumele ilandele Umakhweyane.
Okay.
So even if it's a well-known song, kodwa mase lilidwa Umakhweyane unendlela specific yokudlala ehlukile, then i-bass kit izobe silalela ukuthi ngihambaphi, then they will follow. It's become so beautiful.
So uyangena lo mculo ko-Andy Jazz? Not
Yes.
really? Is it?
Kakhulu.
Okay.
I-album that I did was a tribute to Princess Magogo kaDinuzulu, e-jazz, because he produced Unduduzo Makatsini.
Oh, that one is intelligent too. Speaking of album, une-album, like, tell me, good say, okay, mhlawumbe sengam-album awu-2 yokuqala kanje noma ngine-EP noma
That was the
single.
first album that I did,
Okay.
Mbuso, Khoza and Unduduzo Makatsini. But I know ukuthi abantu abaningi are trying to reach out to me because abathi basayitholi on iTunes and what's not. So I'm busy trying to check that ukuthi kwenzakalani. But that's the only album engisenayo. Right now I'm working on to release the Izinwele Zami song and another album. So
Okay.
something is coming.
So release
definitely this year.
isingle Izinwele Zami.
Yes, Izinwele Zami.
Usuqalile kodwa uyadlala
Yes.
Izinwele Zami.
Yes.
How is it? How is abantu? But awusayirekhodile kodwa awuyirelease, so ayikafika emphakathini.
Ngisayrekhodile ngayirelease, akafika emphakathini, but I'm performing the song a lot because everybody likes the song, especially abantu besifazane, because you know likhumbuza ukuthi umuhle ngendlela oyiyona.
Sizolidlala-ke before Sane.
Yes, ngize ngithi in a way ukhona udoctor ngeke ngaba naye UKZN, when elalela iculo ngeliperforma weza wathi actually this song is for everyone. Ngisho ingane ezincane on primary schools ngoba ziyabhulishana izingane laphayana.
Yes.
So umuntu fanele kungamphathi kabi khona umuntu othe unekhanda elikhulu. Kungamphathi kabi khona othe hey wena upetele wakho, you know, azi kodwa ukuthi ngidalwe kanjalo ngeke ngikwazi
Yeah, that's
ukushintsha.
me. There's
And
nothing going to
ngimuhle.
change.
Yes.
Are you married? Noma uyokudlala?
Engaged.
Shame, that's nice. So who's the guy? Is he in entertainment also?
Angithandi nje mina ukukhuluma ngalo guy.
Oh, hayi wena ulaka uzomshada yibo.
Cela mina kancane bani.
Ngithanda ukukhuluma ngalo uzomshada. Awuthanda
Not in a bad way, but no.
Okay, so but he's not into music.
No.
He's not in the industry.
He is in the industry, but not into music. So yeah.
Yini komuntu director abakhulu. Yini komuntu producer, hayibo Zawadi, hayibo.
No producer bathize.
Hayibo Zawadi. How long you been engaged? Do you have kids?
Yes, 2 kids.
Oh yeah, the kade usho ukuthi lo munye una a few weeks anyana, right?
Yeah.
And then the other one?
2 years.
Okay.
Yeah.
You work at you used to work at K-Cap as a facilitator. No, you work at K-Cap.
I still work there, but in the part-time.
Oh, so back visa. What do you do exactly there?
Ngenza vocal coaching.
Okay.
Yes. And then ngiyafundisa nje music, African music. Because bona bajwayele ukwenza ama-production African theatre shows, or Nandi the musical, khona namanye azayo. So we have to teach these kids how to sing ngendlela.
So you can teach me how to sing?
I can teach you how to sing.
Even though ngakwazi because uzibonile ukuthi angikwazi, so ngongenze njani njengami?
Yeah, ngingazama yazi. Bondo bathi uzona yasha ngithi mthane olwasa. Yabo nginikeze those notes. Yes, ukuthi okay, we do like this. Inothi elithiza silibiza kanjena. Into kanjalo. I even teach young kids, khona ne-alive kids khona. Ntambama kunama-class akhona ingane ezincane. And then I go to them nabo ngibacathulise. And bona-ke into eyenza ukuthi bebe interested kakhulu is I listen kakhulu umculo base West Africa.
Oh, okay.
So
yeah, that's what I was buza ngoZawadi Yamungu. I'm thinking madala kuneni balo baba washona ucisha afana noOliver. Yeah, Oliver.
And I perform. There's Oliver song, Uneria. Everybody knows me in Uneria.
You perform Neria?
I perform that song a lot. And I've just discovered, okay, since it's a gospel song, because it actually means...
It's a love song. No. Neria, my love.
Neria, yes, igama lomuntu vele. But wayemthulisa uNeria ethi uNkulunkulu nawe.
Oh, that's so cute.
Umnyeni wakhe due to isifo esithize. So uma ikhuluma naye uthi Neria, we go through so much as humans, but uNkulunkulu khona, So ngathi mase ngithola meaning behind the song. I was so touched to actually I can perform the song. It's either ngivula ngalo concert ethize or in my shows. Ebese mhlambe ke mangabe ngiyoperform nje ubuthe nje ungaze ungibezela umncwabo. I'll go kodwa ngizofika ngicula uNeria. And then yeah. So
you were once called kwakune I think lecturer baba madala ku Prince Mangosuthu Buthelezi. What was happening there? You're performing there first
this year
or something. Yeah.
This year on March.
Dear Manch.
Dear Manch.
Yeah, what was happening?
Umntwana Buthelezi ebene first lecture.
ICC.
At ICC.
You performed there?
And yes, and ibiyenziwa it's a former president of Nigeria, Dr. Obasanjo.
Oh.
I was so happy to be in that space, and I was the main artist, Lapo. So I think because I do umculo uga Princess Makoko, so they wanted those renditions because that's what I was doing. So kuhamba kahle kakhulu.
Do you think one day, because I think Katsingo's umculo unga collaborator ubona ucula koma piano labo badlale wena usho noma afro benza wena usho wenze naphela
I know
yabona ingqondo yami ayisebenzi yazi ngifuna ukwenza manje ngifuna ukufaka licode selicose ngilikhohliwe
wasa
manje ngicabanga abedlala umaphorisa la ngeke ngifuna ngifuna ukucula
wasa
kuba kanje yes it's not you never thought of that or like maybe in future you don't know.
Maybe in future. For now, ngisathe ukuyiziba kancane. I get a lot of DMs ngayo ukuthi bantu bethi can we collaborate?
Sound ayibaphela kuthophe unikwe sound. Sadlala phezulu kwele sound.
Ithi kumancane. Cala nginikeze isikhathi ngifuna umhlaba. Mangivela kuona ngivele ngenta eonthetic.
Okay.
Qala. And then sengingawenza ke ama feature here and there.
Okay.
And I prefer like a house rather than a piano.
How has traveling shaped your life? Ukutravela nje uhambe lokhu udlala kule ndawo ehlukene emculo wakho.
Kuyangikhulisa. Each time I play, ngiyashesha ukubhoreka nge-performance or ngengoma ngasho kanjalo. But for me to grow every time, it's the rehearsal. Ngoba the more ngilokho ngibizwa, I have to rehearse. And then nala ngifika khona mase ngiperform khona into ehlukile kufanele ngiyilethe. That's for me. That for kwakona kwabantu abasuke bengibizile, but that for me, for my performance, ukuthi ukuze ngijabule ukuthi I travel to perform, but yini engiyilethayo kubantu wonke umuntu fanele ngimshiye ejabulile.
Do you think, do you use social media ngendlela right? Is it working for you?
Ave ngiyilazy, angifuna ukungasho, shame. I do try. I try. God knows I try.
But you know, you're ndlela njengamanje to sell your music so that it reaches
a lot.
Jennifer has seen ngoba umthanda la akubona lapha yana manje awupost
into eyenza ukuthi ngimthande ngikhule ngimlalela kakhulu. So now that I know African music, I feel like you can do something beautiful no Jennifer Hudson. Acule umculo wesintu ngimfake kuwona awucule ngale voice yakhe.
They're embracing us njengamanje, a lot of them kancane kancane sekusibanibani, you know, so they want this, they love it.
There's a song khona show yami ngiyenzayo annually, it's the past meets the future. So abantu abake bayi-attenda they know ukuthi khona ingoma Jennifer Hudson ngiyenze ngayi example ngithi methena I'm giving myself over to you. Mina ngithi ngasale baleni uye mama, but cabanga ke uthola ukuthi khona into eyenzakalayo mhlawumbe naye aqhubeka body and soul ngithi ngasale baleni, I'm giving it over.
Oh my goodness, yes, that's not. I think khona ucishe izinto efana naleyo. Who was here in South Africa? John Legend.
That
and then
guy.
Yes,
on TikTok.
Yeah, what is it?
I can't remember his name. But
yeah, but he does lo traditional, something like that, and it was beautiful.
Yeah.
I didn't see TikTokers like this is beautiful, and it was like a bizarre thing. Oh my goodness, look at this.
Yes,
and do it all. So please try social media. Check out. I'm on TikTok. Maybe salamanto yakhona ama duets kwashwa icima, and then ufake. Look at this. I'm sure le culo nje ungayilenza. Okay, your homework. So 2 months. You gotta go home one day. Take you Jennifer acule enze kanjalo ufake uedit. You post postela nathi.
I'll do.
Promise.
I promise.
What other projects are you working on besides the song and then an album that you're working on, EP? What other things that you Zawadi does in
For now, we focus on Milabo and then the performances. Right now, there is an international jazz festival in June, and there is Richard Bona coming.
By the way, I'm not good at that. The Mbuso yamthanda. How Richard Bona etsilo kunini ngibeletse.
Richard Bona.
Okay, yes, Richard Bona.
So, okay. Richard Bona is coming from Cameroon.
And you're excited?
I'm so excited. And also on the master classes, so I'll be there. I'm attending. And I'm excited is I'm part of the lineup.
Yes,
jazz. I'm in duets there with Okolisa Dlamini and this.
You win, right?
Yes, the station.
Oh yeah, Linda, you see, do you think it's a nayo? Well, I'm sure it does. The hype kubantu phela aba understander inabantu ba genre yakhona ne, right?
Yeah. Inabantu ba.
Ngeke understand kakhulu. International Jazz Festival.
So yakhona lela. Okay. We're just hoping that people will show up and come. And years of time, that because there's Richard Bona. So they were like, we're coming to Durban, coming down to Durban because
to see this guy.
Oh, that guy is brilliant. So brilliant. But actually, the lineup as well is so beautiful. Yeah. There's Umakhweyana, there's in duet with Mbuso Khoza, there's Umakhweyana, there's Talane. So a lot.
Oh, baningi bakhona labantu benibazimi na usukhuluma ngobongani like I know that name but then ikhanda lami ngicabanga uMduduzo maka like what's another name okay anana Mbuso so much because I like Mbuso I don't know why but uyangichaza msiza into zakho khosini amalelo hasho lumnandi uyana so I love that Sana Sam ngijabulela ukuthi ngihlale nawe. We wish you nothing but the best in life. We're gonna leave your details, my booking details here. So abantu they will reach out to you and they can book you at any given time. But obviously, ngeke uhambe ungazange usiperformele the beautiful song that you like so much that you believe ukuthi uthinta abantu abaningi and everybody needs to get this message. So I'm gonna remove myself here. Guys, so we cut some so good and but because I'm funny the performance. I don't know the performance is suka or was concentrate again. Ningang musha pelangas no distracted. But I just want to have Ishani Ike and then she does this performance easy way, right?
Yes.
Anyway, we natural so okay like how but thank you so much guys for tuning in. Zawadi, and I am leaving you with a beautiful Ida Kiko Sam Donamanzi. Take it my love. Rebecca man take it away. Take it away.
Amabele am mande sifika ya inze isinto sami sihle ukuhamba kwami kuhle isitho sami sihle ibala lami lihle mina ngithanda futhi Gimuke. Ay. Ngamushe. Alala mige. Life. Amabele am. Mate. Ngaba wami. Mushe. Lete lwami. Luce, wekwelami, luce, inwele zami, balalami, luce, iqomo zami ke, zinhle, ngimuhle, 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 ngimuhle. Mbuso